This new strategy can actually get you your first 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours, guys. If you've been struggling to get 1,000 subscribers in your channel, or you already have 1,000 subscribers but you want to increase it, this strategy is a secret that works magic, guys. I'm going to be showing you everything in this video, okay? So guys, the first thing to do is to make sure that the account you want to gather 1,000 subscribers for is the one that you have logged in on your YouTube app, okay? Make sure that's the one that is logged in. So I'm going to show you how to check and make sure that is the account. Just click on your profile picture. You see that account, click on that arrow going down, and you'll be able to switch your account from there, okay? Now that we have that out of the way, the next thing you're going to do is to look for a viral shot, like a shot that went viral, that had a lot of views, right? That's the kind of shot you're going to use for this particular tutorial. Now you can actually use this home field, which is the normal YouTube home field, or you can use this part that says short. Okay, wherever you find a shot is best. So I'll just click on this shot right now. Now look at the first shot that we're coming across. This shot is good. It has about 5,000 likes, but what you need is a shot that has over 500,000 likes, 1 million likes, 10 million likes, 20 million likes. Depends on the one you are able to find. Do you understand? The more the likes, the better chances for you to get views and subscribers, because what you're going to do is to collaborate with these shots, and that's how you're going to tap into their audience. The same people that watch this video, the algorithm will refer them this video as in yours back to them. You understand? And yeah, you also get your views. Let's look for a video. These ones have low views, this one has low likes. Okay, the likes are not enough. Okay, this one has about 700,000 plus. Let's search again. This one doesn't have too much likes, neither does this one. Guys, please, when you want to do this strategy, please make sure you have a video with over 500,000. Let's scroll back to this place. The video has to be at least 500,000 and above likes. So guys, so just long press on it and click on description. So this video had over 47 million views. So this video is good enough for the sake of this tutorial, so that this video will not be too long. But for yours, you can get a video that has over 100 million, 500 million views, as the case may be. Now look at this button. Click on this particular button. This is the remix button. That's the one we're going to be using for this video, okay? Now we're going to be collaborating with this video and tapping into the audience of this video so that we can get views and likes and subscribers from people that liked this video. Look at the title of this video. You have to put it down somewhere because we're going to be using the same title, okay? Look at all the features. You can use the sound in this video, you can use the template, you can collaborate, green screen, and cut the video. But we're going to be using the collab, okay? And guys, please, the title of this video, you have to write it out because we are using exactly the same title. Click on that collab, okay? Now look at what it's showing. It's giving you 15 seconds out of this video. Sometimes it might be smaller, sometimes it might be 13 seconds, 15 seconds, but that's the highest you get because it's not your original video. Make sure the slider is showing the entire 15 seconds, okay? Look at the way I'm moving it on my screen. Just touch it and move it to the end. Make sure it's showing the entire 15 seconds so that the shot will be a little longer, and then click on next, okay? Now it's asking you to add your share. This is me just showing my face, and what I'm going to do now is just to react to what, as in exactly what is happening in the shot. So click on this red button to start the video. Immediately it starts, you can start reacting to the video and just doing your stuff. So just react to what you are watching. Do you understand? Please make sure the volume for the shot is turned on. Okay, I had to reduce it because of this tutorial sake. Make sure the volume is turned on. Now we are done. Click on this AA button. That's where you can add text, okay? In case you want to write anything at the front, I would like for you to write subscribe as well, but we're going to add a timer to it. Okay, so this is basically the collab feature. This video will go viral because the original one already went viral. So just write subscribe with that AA button, and then yeah, just look for somewhere to place it in the screen. Okay, place it somewhere strategic. You can even reduce the size as well. So now we're going to time it so it doesn't show throughout the whole video and inconvenience people, right? Look at it. Click on the subscribe and click on this timing. Click on the timing, guys. Now is from the beginning to the end. You have to trim it. Just hold the subscribe again and trim it to the end. Let it just be like at least 2 seconds long. Then click on good, okay? So yeah, it's already applying to it. Click on next, guys. So this is it. So guys, now that we are here, we need to pick a thumbnail for this particular shot. To get your thumbnail, look at this pencil icon. You click on that pencil icon. This is where everything happens, okay? Look at it. So because it's a video that concerns female children, girls, you need to choose a strategic point for the thumbnail, okay? Look at this one. It looks interesting. I think we'll go with this, or this rather. I think this is okay because the girls are showing and people will be inquisitive like, what are they doing? So click on the good sign when you are done. So guys, remember the title we talked about earlier. According to the original video, that's the title you will also put here. Do you understand? So it's preferable for you to write it out so that you don't forget. Even if you forget, you can save it as draft. Go back to the original video, copy the title, and then come back and finish this posting. Okay, you can just add hashtag shorts as you can see on my screen to drag more viewers. Okay, now there's a setting you need to turn off. It's called the altered content. Scroll down as you can see on my screen, click on the altered content and say no. Okay, it's not AI generated, this is you. Now, all of these things are in place already. All these settings don't really matter because it's short. Short has audience already. So when you are done, the next thing to do is to upload shorts. Click on this upload shorts and yeah, it will go on and post. But something you should note is shorts should be posted more than long form videos. You are allowed to post 3 to 4 shots a day. So for 24 hours a day, you will divide it one shot per 4 hours. That will make it 24 hours divided by 4. That will be 6 shots a day. So after posting this video, in the next 4 hours you post another one like this, and in the next 4 hours you also post another one like this. You can do it all around the clock, guys. So you post 6 videos all around the clock. Even while you are sleeping, your shot is dropping, because while you are sleeping there are people that are awake, and while you are awake there are people that are sleeping all around the world. So this shot will get views from all around the world. If you can do this consistently, guys, you will get 1,000 subscribers in no time. Okay, and make sure you pick a shot that is within your niche. Okay, don't let it be too far from your niche, so that subscribers that you get from that shot will also be interested in your long form videos or your normal short videos after that time. Do you understand? Make sure you use the titles, pick a shot within your niche, post at least 6 shots a day every 4 hours, and yeah, just repeat the process. And yes, make sure you pick a shot that went extremely viral with good likes, at least 1 million likes, 10 million likes, 20 million likes. Shot, those shots will push viewers and subscribers to your channel because that shot is already a viral shot. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to share this video, and if you are yet to subscribe at this point, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye for now. And lastly, in case if you want to post for all round clock, you can actually use this save draft, or you can use the schedule option. Okay, so that when you are sleeping, the videos will still drop. Instead of to make it public, you see that visibility, you can just click on it and set a time. Okay, count 4 hours from your last upload and schedule it according to that 4 hours. So while you're sleeping, the video can still drop. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Bye for now.